Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Xiaomi is already gearing up for the new flagship, in the rival of Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra. According to the latest available data, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, with the latest Leica optics and a huge battery, will hit the global market shortly after its launch in China. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Earlier today, Xiaomi confirmed that the Xiaomi 17 Ultra would be unveiled in China in a few days, but new information suggests that a global release is expected to follow soon after. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra smartphone has appeared in the US Federal Communications Commission (FCC) database. The FCC certification confirms the phone will run HyperOS 3 out of the box. The documents also list key connectivity features, including support for 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth Low Energy. This FCC filing follows previous certifications. The Chinese version of the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, with model number, was previously approved by China's 3C authority. The global variant, with model number, was also found in the IME database. Rumors suggest the Xiaomi 17 Ultra will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. The battery is expected to be around 7,000 mAh capacity, making it one of the largest batteries in a flagship smartphone. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra's main selling point is expected to be its best camera system. It's confirmed to feature new Leica optics, and the main camera is rumored to feature the new 1-inch 50-megapixel OV50X sensor from OmniVision. Additionally, the phone is likely to feature a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, with macro capabilities and a 200-megapixel camera, with 5x optical zoom. The new Xiaomi 17 Ultra launch will take place next week in China. The global release is expected in January 2026. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.